In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and manage archived workflows in n8n. If you've ever lost a workflow in n8n, there's a good chance it was archived, which is a soft delete that hides it from your everyday view. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to reveal those archived workflows, review them, and either bring them back or remove them for good, all without adding extra steps or complexity. Start by opening your n8n dashboard and heading to your Workflows list. This is your main hub for everything you've built. Here, you'll see workflow names, their current status, and a snapshot of everything active in your workspace. Think of it as the control center, where you can quickly scan what's running and what's paused. At the top of this list, look for the filter icon. By default, n8n keeps archived workflows out of sight, so your workspace stays clean and focused. That means anything you've archived won't appear here unless you tell n8n to show it. The filter icon is exactly where you control what's displayed. Click the filter and enable the option labeled Show Archived Workflows. The moment you turn this on, n8n adds archived or soft deleted items back into the list so you can see them alongside your other entries. This is a view-only reveal. It doesn't change the status of any workflow yet. It just lets you find what you're looking for. Now browse through the list. You'll notice the previously hidden workflows are visible, typically marked so you can tell they're archived. Scroll until you find the one you want to restore or review. Keep in mind that archived workflows can't be edited in this state. If you need to make changes, you'll first need to bring them back to active status. When you're ready to act on an archived workflow, open the three dots menu next to its name. From here, you have two clear choices. Choose Unarchive to restore the workflow to your active list so you can edit, test, and run it like any other. Or, if you're certain you no longer need it, choose Delete to remove it permanently. Deleting is irreversible, so it's best reserved for items you're confident you won't use again. That's all there is to it. Reveal archived workflows with the filter, review what you need, and either unarchive to continue working or delete to keep your workspace tidy. Thanks for watching, and happy building in n8n.